All right, four-wheelers, I'm going to give you the exact same message I give to my fellow truck drivers. It is not okay to go the wrong direction down the freeway or an on-ramp. If you're ever confused about where you are, there's some really good indicators that will let you know that you're going the wrong way. For example, there's going to be big old square boxes that are red that say wrong way, or there's going to be big old signs that say do not enter. That's your first indication that you're going the wrong direction. Another good indicator is the fact that the yellow line will be on your right side and the white line will be on your left side. Guys, all I can say is this: don't be a dumbass going down the highway. Pay attention to your surroundings. And remember, safety first on those highways and byways, and get back to the wheel in a safe manner. 73s.